You know that homemade food is tastier and healthier. But cooking seems too time and effort consuming. So you feel doomed to gulp your microwave dinners forever. But here comes the game changer. Meet Hello Egg, your voice-operated sidekick. It will take care of all the food-related activities by planning your weekly meals according to your dietary preferences. Adjusting to the unpredicted events like a spontaneous visit of a vegetarian friend. Organizing your shopping lists. Ordering the grocery delivery. And providing you with easy-to-follow, step-by-step video recipes you can navigate by simple voice commands. Hello Egg brings the joy of home cooking and healthy eating back to you, freeing up 7 hours of your time each week. So you could spend it on something that really matters, your life.
Break out from the ordinary with the Winovations electric wine opener gun. This sleek, fun design will complement any home bar and delight all of your guests. Simply pull the trigger to remove the cork from the bottle. The wine opener will automatically stop once the cork is fully removed. Then push the trigger forward to extract the cork from the barrel of the gun. Be a boss at your next gathering when you whip out the wine gun to open that vintage cab. The Winovations powered wine opener comes with a rechargeable holster. Be trigger happy as it will uncork over 30 bottles on a single charge. Each product comes with a wall charger, adapter, and foil cutter to remove labels quickly and easily. The wine gun comes in 2 different styles, simulated steel and firearm pink. Embrace the fun with Winovations electric wine opener. Go ahead and pop one off today.
Use them to make, then freeze individual portions, then pop out the number of servings you need. Take their Burger Master, fill it with ground beef, press on the top, and voila! 8 burger patties in the time it takes to make just one. You don't even have to touch the raw meat with your hands, even if you want to stuff the patties. And this thing is the master of many foods. That's because it is also great for freezing and portioning soups, stews, spaghetti sauce, and even baby food. Just break out individual bricks when you want to cook them up. They pop right out. Return the rest to the freezer for later so you can use just what you want. It cuts down on prep time and lets you enjoy servings anytime.